Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. No matter how limited your backyard may seem, with the right design approach, you can turn it into a stunning oasis that feels open, cozy, and full of charm. Let's uncover how to make your small garden feel like a dreamy escape that perfectly blends nature, comfort, and creativity. Designing with vertical beauty. When space is tight, go vertical. Use trellises, pergolas, or wooden frames to grow climbing plants like jasmine, ivy, or bougainvillea. These not only save space but also create a soft, natural wall that adds height and visual depth. Hanging pots or wall-mounted planters help you fill blank walls with life, turning ordinary fences into vibrant green canvases. Combine different leaf textures and plant colors for a dynamic, layered effect that catches the eye. By taking advantage of your vertical space, you'll make your garden feel taller, fuller, and more alive, proving that even the smallest backyard can rise to greatness. Choosing multi-purpose furniture for function and style. Opt for smart, multifunctional furniture pieces like benches with built-in storage or foldable tables that can disappear when not in use. This keeps your space uncluttered while maximizing comfort and flexibility. Natural materials like rattan, bamboo, and weathered wood add warmth and texture, making your backyard feel welcoming and connected to nature. Combine them with soft, neutral cushions for a cozy outdoor vibe. Each furniture piece should serve both a purpose and a story, creating not just a place to sit, but a small corner of tranquility where you can unwind and reconnect. Creating layers with plants and textures. Mix different heights, colors, and leaf shapes to make your small space look abundant and dynamic. Pair tall ornamental grasses with medium ferns and low ground covers to create a flowing, natural rhythm. Incorporate planters of varying materials, clay, metal, or woven baskets, to add texture and contrast. This visual diversity tricks the eye into seeing more depth and dimension. Even in a compact garden, layered planting brings movement and character, transforming a flat space into a lush landscape that feels like a secret retreat. Adding a water element for calm and connection. A small water feature instantly transforms the mood of your backyard, filling it with the soothing sound of flowing water. Try a ceramic fountain, bamboo spout, or tabletop pond for a touch of serenity. Use recycled containers like old pots or barrels to create DIY water features. It's sustainable, affordable, and adds a personal, handcrafted charm. The gentle sound of water not only relaxes the mind but also masks city noise, helping your small garden feel like an escape into nature's peaceful rhythm. Lighting the space for evening magic. Soft, warm lighting can make your backyard come alive after sunset. Use string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered garden lamps to create a gentle, glowing ambience. Highlight key features, like plants, textures, or pathways, with small spotlights to create depth and visual drama at night. This transformation from day to evening brings a magical touch, turning your small outdoor area into a romantic retreat where every night feels like a quiet celebration under the stars. As you can see, even the tiniest backyard can be transformed into a dreamy oasis, full of charm, comfort, and natural beauty. With the right lighting, textures, and design choices, your outdoor space becomes more than just a garden. It becomes your personal sanctuary, a place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. But don't stop here. There's so much more inspiration waiting for you. Next, watch Timeless Outdoor Patio Inspiration. Elegant design ideas for a relaxing home escape. It's filled with elegant, calming ideas that will take your outdoor living to the next level. Click and let your next transformation begin.